Hello my friends, my name is Irvin, also known as Kobo, and in today's video I will show you how to install an M.2 drive. This is really easy to do and anybody should be able to do it. That being said, please take 1 second to like this video. I really appreciate it. That way I'm not going to play any ads on this very short video. Before you do anything, please make sure you get the correct drive for your PC. If you need help with that, please let me know. I'll gladly help you with that. Or you can just follow the links in the description for the recommendations that I have when it comes to purchasing the proper M.2. Needless to say, be very careful when dealing with these sensitive components. Make sure you align them properly and generally take your time before you proceed to do anything. Alright, let's get into it.
Then we're going to install our NVMe SSD M.2 solid state drive. This motherboard comes with two options to install this. The first one is too long, the second one is just the right length, so we're going to use it in that one. Of course you can use it in the other one as well. What you see on top, the black part, is actually a heatsink, which I was very surprised to find in this motherboard. Once we remove the heatsink, we're going to insert our M.2 solid state drive on an angle like that first, and then we're going to lower it down carefully, making sure that all the contacts are present. Then we're going to use our heatsink. We're going to remove the little sticky part that covers it. It's going to stick on there. We're going to then use the screw that came with the motherboard to reattach the M.2 solid state drive, which is crazy fast, by the way.
Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you want a good recommendation on an SSD, there is a link in the description box below, and if you need any help, please let me know. I'm always available and I will answer your questions as soon as possible in comments below. Alright guys, you have a wonderful day and take care.